There's a myth that the XR650R is difficult to start, but it's really not if you know the correct way. I was taught the correct way by the guy that sold me this bike, and I couldn't find any YouTube videos showing the way that he showed me. So I figured I'd make a video explaining how to start one, because I came from street legal bikes. I had never had a kick bike before, so the decomp lever was confusing, and I couldn't find anything that explained it as well as the guy that sold it to me. So I figured I would make a video on how to start an XR650R the easy way. So first step, fuel on, ignition on. That's very easy. Next, now this is cold. This is a cold bike. It hasn't been started recently. So next is to make sure the choke is in the right position, which is all the way to the front, toward the front wheel. There's 3 positions, all the way to the front, in the middle, and to the back. For a cold start, you want it all the way to the front. So when you get on the bike, you want to pull this decomp lever, which basically just means you can kick through with no pressure. You're gonna kick through 10 times with the decomp lever pulled in. Then you let go and you cycle until you find top dead center, which means the piston is at the very top of its cycle, and you'll know that it's a top dead center because it will push back on you really hard. It's easy to push through with this without much force until it's at the top. Then once you find it at the top, you pull the decomp lever back in, you push this down just an inch, or just as little as you can push it. Then you come back up to the top. That's a mistake most people make. They don't come back up to the top. And then with a full stroke, without the decomp lever pulled in, so you're just kicking through now, you kick through. And I'm going to show you what that looks like in 1 second. One last thing I forgot to mention is that once it starts, you want to reach down and move the choke from its forward position here, point it, all the way up, so that it's in the middle. So you do that quickly, and the bike can get up to temperature, and then when you're ready to ride, it's all the way to the back. So that's it. If you do that, it should start on the first kick every time. I've never had a problem with it, unless it's me making a mistake. So stick to that procedure, and it's very simple, and that's it.